All right, this is lesson 9.9. This is the last lesson of chapter 9, algebra students, and this topic is combining functions. Well, it turns out that you can perform operations on functions just as you would perform operations on real numbers. So one thing that we could do is we can just add or subtract functions. So imagine that if I have two functions, if I am given two functions, let's just say I have the function f and I have the function g. Well, then I can create a new function. I can create a new function by combining the given functions. I can create a new function f plus g, and I can do that just by adding the two. Or I can create f minus g, and you guess it, I would just have to subtract them. So let's just look at examples of that. So here we go. Here's an example. If I am given, let's look at what we're given. Let's give two functions. Let's do an f of x equals, oh, that looks terrible. Let's just fix that a little bit. Let's do f of x equals, and let's make it, x cubed plus 5x minus 2. And then let's give us another function, because this is given two functions, given that g of x equals x plus 7. Well, then I could look at, let's just look at adding them. I could find f plus g of x. F plus g of x. Well, what is that going to be? Well, that's going to be f of x plus g of x. So this is my new function that I'm going to create. Well, all we have to do is do some replacement here. Substitution. F of x is x cubed plus 5x minus 2 plus x plus 7. I could put some parentheses around there so I can keep track of it. But I have these two functions, and now all I have to do is combine them. So I have x cubed plus 6x plus 5, and that is my new function, which is called f plus g of x.